Hey guys, time to tell us this is me. I'm in Blackpool for the first time, and I've kept a promise, right? Next time we're in Blackpool, I was going to basically go and ride on the Icon. I am the guys for the very first time. I kept that promise. The promise I made was another content creator called, it was Theme Park Mad on a live stream that I started talking. He's currently in here. I don't know where he's about. I've seen him once. I've seen him, but I didn't really say hi to him. So hi. Yeah, we're gonna ride it for the first time. I'm gonna see how it is. Trying to get it there. Promise is promise, and I will basically own up to that promise. But yeah, this Icon to accelerate off. She's apparently said she's scary, but it's not. It's not scary at all. It's fine. Also, but yeah, let's watch the launch, shall we? And this is what I mean by a promise, guys, of a roller coaster of Icon in Blackpool Pleasure Beach. This is Icon, and this is how it starts off. And that, guys, is Icon. Here we go, guys. This is it. Wish me luck. The first time going on this. So wish me luck, guys. Well, as you can see, guys, I've just finished the Icon for the first time. I absolutely loved it. I'm definitely going on that again. And yeah, my promise has been kept. Theme Park Mad? It's been broken. As you can see, I've ridden the Icon for the first time. She'd never ride it again. Yeah, she wants to kill me, but not before she catches me first. But yeah, guys, that was me riding an Icon in Blackpool Pleasure Beach for the very first time. So without further ado, guys, I shall see you in the next video. Bye bye for now, guys. What a fun one. Follow and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now, folks.